Good morning. Good afternoon. I wanted to go over real quickly how you guys are to work on your last activity for today. So your first activity was to go through the Jamaica problem and to do the warm up. But this is what we're doing, okay? I want to get to know you guys a little better. So this is an example. I want you to put images on here for your favorite foods, your favorite places, music artists, and sports. So I'm just going to walk you through the steps because I just am. So I'm going to make this a little bigger so you can see this whole entire screen right here. So you can see I have all my tabs here, and this is my whiteboard.chat. Okay, so let's say, so it says select, you want to, the instructions are at the top, but isn't that kind of hard to see a little bit? Just a little bit. So let's see, maybe we can move this. All right, find your favorite picture. Okay, so you want to start a new tab and go to Google. So I'm going to actually move this right next to this. I'm going to say, I'm going to start a new tab right here, and I'm going to go to Google, and I want to do my favorite foods. So one of my favorite foods that I love is, let's say I love smoothies, right? So I'm going to say smoothie, and then I'm going to go to where it says images, and I'm going to find a picture of a smoothie. Oh, look, this one, these look delicious, right? So let's do that. And I'm going to, so I found my picture. It's over here. Let's go back to our instructions. Double click on the image you want. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's all right. And then we go to the image. You can right click on it and say copy image. Right? See where it says copy image? Select that. And then you go back to your whiteboard, and I'm gonna say, and hit Control and then V, and that should paste it. Let's hope. Now look how it's all big, right? So this is where we have to use our tools down here, and this tool right here says select. So we have to select our picture, and we have to resize it. So I have to make that much smaller. So I'm gonna make it real tiny, like that, and then I'm gonna have to select it again, and I have to move it up here. Now let's say I wanted to do another favorite food. Let's say I also love, well, this is taking forever. Let's say I also love a hamburger, right? Love it. So I pick a picture of a hamburger that I like that looks good. Man, these look like something. So let's do this whole stack. Sliders. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to say copy image, and then I'm going to go back to my whiteboard.chat, and I'm going to hit Control and then V. Control and then V. Okay? And I'm going to resize it. So I want to go to my select tool right here, and I want to resize. So I'm going to make it smaller. Sometimes this resize tool is like really weird. It's hard to, there we go. And I'm going to move it to a really pretty spot. So I'm going to say resize and then move. Okay? And this is what you're going to do for each of these four categories. I just want to get to know you guys a little bit better. And this will be a grade. Let me know if you have any questions.